Hi.
Hello, Brad Slagle here with S&S Tire. We're at our Goodyear location today, and we were supposed to be doing this a little bit earlier. Things happen, not a big deal, but we are going to be giving a mother a car. We're going to be giving a car away to a mother today. Her name is Crystal. She ended up getting in a car accident with her car, and it's in pretty bad shape. But you know, there's a lot of people involved with this car giveaway. One guy in particular, Josh, I need to give him a shout out. He's a mechanic here. He put in a lot of time and effort in getting this car set up to where it's drivable and safe. I want to reach out to Henny. Henny was the gal that ended up actually donating the car, and then O'Reilly's ended up supplying a lot of the parts. But Helping Hands for Single Moms ended up helping out in a big way as well. So with something we've always wanted to do is give back to the community, and with us being a part of NARPRO, which is Neighborhood Automotive Repair Professionals, we're able to do that. And you can go on narpro.com and find out all the shops across the valley that are involved with this. So, but we'll walk out here and kind of show you the car that we're giving away here in just about a minute. The mom will be coming out here.
This is Brad.
Nice to meet you. I gave you the keys to your new car. I'm sorry to hear about your accident, man. That was not
No, not good. I mean, luckily the kids and I are okay, so.
good. That's the most important thing.
Yeah, sure. We've been able to drive to and from school.
Well, with the help of NARPRO and mechanics here at S&S Tire, Helping Hands for Single Moms, got you a set of new tires and wheels for your new car for you. So
I appreciate that.
I've been driving it around, and it's actually a very nice car to drive.
Yeah.
It is nice. So yeah, it does drive nice.
That's
So.
a good engine, huh?
But we did quite a bit of work too. We got new tires on there for you. Did the brake work on it, motor and that. So it's all safe and sound for you. Full tank of gas for you as well. So
Thank you.
good, yeah.
Appreciate it.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
You guys see my car
Yeah,
outside?
check it
Yeah,
out,
check it out.
please.
Let's check
It's
it
all
out.
yours. It's all yours.
I'm gonna get in back. Go for a ride.
You guys.